In this food ordering AI agent, our workflow is that we are listening for Telegram messages. Any Telegram message, in this case, we are doing text message. It can be voice message as well. We are listening for text messages and we pass that message to the AI agent. So the AI agent using the chat model, in this case, this is GPT-4o mini model, it processes the user text message and based on that decide which tool to use and what action to take and providing a response to the user. So to show you, we have, as you see, we have a chat model and two simple tools. One is to getting the menu of our restaurant, and the other one is saving the order, which can be notifying the kitchen, placing a receipt generation, etc. And so this is the simple saving the user order, which can be connected to other tools. So this is the menu of the restaurant. We have 6 items here with their price, if they're frequently ordered, ingredients, etc. So this is important because if you have any type of allergy, for example, to any type of ingredient, you can mention that to the AI agent and that can mention that inside the order, for example, and providing all this information to the agent. And here our order is empty. So let's see how it works. If I go here, and right now this is inactive, so it's not on production mode. I can activate that and put production mode or execute the workflow to listen for any message. So let's say I want to order something here. Let me quickly execute that. List all the menu, for example, to see all of the items in the menu. And after that, what we are going to do is actually using other language. Right now, because I didn't optimize the model, it's taking some time to respond, but we can optimize that to have better latency with the model. So I got all of the item menus. So other question I can do, and this will be interesting to ask in Spanish, is ¿tienes alguna opción vegetariana? And as you see, this is multilingual model that can handle different languages on the fly. There is no need to add any translation, etc. And you can handle big crowd of customers. For example, I asked for vegetarian options, and it says, yes, we have 2 vegetarian options. One is margarita pizza, and the other one is supreme pizza. And to double check that they have tomato, mozzarella, basil, olive oil, tomato, mozzarella, bell peppers, onions, mushroom, olives. Perfect. So this looks good. So these 2 options actually are vegetarian. And it's asking me if you want to place an order. Right now, what else we can do? Let's actually place an order and see what it does. So let's say I want 2 margarita pizza. I want to order 2 margarita pizza. Executing this and placing the order and see what will be the response of the model. As I said, we can improve the latency for sure to optimizing the workflow. Right now, this is a simple workflow, but we have a lot of tools to be able to optimize the latency to make this faster. Perfect. So it's a great choice. As you see, it's actually using my name, which is hooked to my Telegram account. And it says I placed your order for 2 margarita pizza and the total is $23.98. So this will be other great integration, which will really straightforward to integrate that with a payment gateway. So you charge the user, send the receipt, etc., and provide the receipt in the chat as well. So let's double check this is actually right or no. Yep. So the pricing looks good as well. And if I go back to order right now, as you see, it generated the order ID, customer name, and what the customer ordered, number of items, and the total fee, which added to this sheet. So this is really great a starting point. What we can do is integrating that with a lot of kitchen systems payment gateways, order delivery, etc., to be able to give more tools to our AI agent and automating a lot of manual headache causing process that restaurants they have.